So upper body lean back is a very bad habit. Okay, so when you do this, you can try. Okay, so when you hip not push forward like that and upper body lean back, can you feel so much stress on your lower back? Then how later on hurt you? Your lower back always feel hurt. Okay, so in the ballet, look at how I did. Okay, how I adjust. First of all, my tailbone forwards. Okay, I already less stress. Second thing, my upper body forwards, but I focus on my back of my head. Yes, okay, see, lower back, no stress. And then if you want to make it even better, you got pulling up, stretch. See, even more, less weight on your lower back. So that is so important. Look like a very simple, tiny habits, bad habits, but that really affect you later.